Welcome to Bilingual E-Lectures for Diploma students, sponsored by Directorate of Technical Education, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Student, in the last class, we have seen about the estimation and costing one, Unit 5, that is method of taking quantities by group system. In that class, we already seen what is the meaning of group system, then how to make a dimension paper, that is in dimension paper there are 4 columns, we already seen what are the columns, then how to write a abstract, then how to write a bill. We also seen about one building, they given one drawing. In that drawing we already seen about the how to calculate the earthwork excavation quantities. In this class we are discuss about the same problem, the remaining quantities, that is foundation concrete, then whitewashing, color washing, then RCC works. The remaining works are going to discuss about these classes. Okay. In the last class we discuss about earthwork excavation, that is earthwork excavation for foundation for all type of soil, that is up to main wall, all around, and cross wall 1 and 2. Earthwork excavation for that is all around main wall and the cross wall. Okay. Up to we saw the cross wall 1 and cross wall 2. This class we are going to see the cross wall 3 and 4, cross wall 5. Oh yes, the cross wall 3 and cross wall 4. You see the cross wall 3 and 4, there are 2 numbers, cross wall 3 and 4, 2 numbers, that means cross wall 3 and 4, 2 numbers. The center to center length of cross wall 3 and 4, 3.2 meter, then we deduct, that is one breadth of foundation, that is 0.9 meter. Here we are deducting 0.9 meter. Here, yeah, the cross wall 3 and 4, the total length of cross wall 3 and 4 3.20 meter. Here we deduct one, that is this one breadth of foundation, that is 900 mm, that is 0.90, then total 2.30, yes, 2.30. Here 2.30, then breadth of foundation 900 mm, that is 0.9, then depth from the ground level to up to this, the depth, that is 1.13 meter. Okay, yeah, 1.13 meter. Then how to get this answer? Yes, tell me. 4.68, yes, 2 into this 2, then 2 into 2.3 into 0.9 into 1.13. How much? 2 into 2.30 into 0.9 into 1.13, yes, 4.68 m cube, yes, 4.68 m cube. By the way, we are calculate the earthwork excavation for cross wall 3 and 4. Okay. Then cross wall 5, the center to center length of cross wall 5, that is 4.7 meter. Now we deduct one width of foundation, that is 0.9, how much? 3.80 meter, yes, 3.80 meter, then 3.80, then breadth of foundation 0.9, the depth of foundation 1.13. Here cross wall 5 only one number they put, so we are putting 1 bar, then multiplying this value 1 into 3.80 into 0.9 into 1.13. What is the answer? Yes, 3.86 m cube. Yes, 3.86 m cube. Okay. Then all around veranda. Okay, in veranda the total center to center length 6.8 meter. Veranda 6.8 meter. Deduct the foundation for veranda foundation width, that is 750 mm. For veranda 750 mm, deduct 0.75, then what is the answer? 6.05. Yeah, 6.05. Then 6.05, then breadth 0.6, then 0.68 depth. Then what is the answer? Yes, 2.18 meter cube. Okay. Then steps. There are two steps, no? 2 bar. Check the drawing. Yeah, here one, here one. Okay, 2 steps. Okay, about 2 bar. Yes, 2 bar. Then steps 1.3. How to calculate the length of steps 1.3? By using the door. Yes, door size. What they given? Door size 1 meter. Here 1 meter. Door size 1 meter. Then so 1 meter. Then putting projection here, that is 0.15. Here also 0.15. The total is 1.3 meter. Yes, 1.3 meter. Okay, we are allowing projection here, assuming 0.15 meter, here 0.15 meter bearing. Then the total length 1.3 meter. Then breadth 0.6. Here providing two steps. Okay, here one, here one. So the breadth is from here to here, that is 0.6 meter. Here this is 0.3 meter. Here also 0.3 meter. So total 0.6 meter. Then depth, the same way, the depth from the ground level, the depth from the ground level, and the depth of steps, that is 0.15 meter. So 0.15. Then multiplication 2 into 1.30 into 0.60 into 0.15. How much? 0.23 meter cube. Yes, 0.23. So by adding all the quantities, how much? 31.12, yes, plus 3.66 plus 4.68 plus 3.86 plus 2.18. What is the answer? Yes, 0.23. What is the answer? 45.73 meter cube. Okay. By the way, we are calculating earthwork excavation for foundation by using the group system. Okay, next quantity. CC 1:4:8 for foundation. Okay. This CC also the same way we are calculating earthwork excavation, the same way we are using the CC, the calculation of cement concrete 1:4:8 for foundations. Okay. Then here earthwork excavation, first we found out what? Main wall all around. The same way here also the main wall all around. Okay. The center to center of main wall all around, how much? 30.6 meter. So 30.6 meter. Then breadth of that is CC concrete. The breadth of CC concrete, how much? That is 900 mm. Okay, so 900. Then the depth of CC concrete 0.23 meter. So 0.23 meter. All around center to center length 30.60, then breadth 0.9 meter, then depth 0. This depth 0.23 meter. Okay. Then how to calculate this quantity? 6.33. It's a main wall all around, only one number. Okay. Then 1 into 30.60 into 0.9 into 0.23. What is the answer? Yes, 6.23 6.33 m cube. Yes, 6.33 m cube. Now we are calculating main wall all around. The total quantity is 6.33 m cube. Then the cross wall 1 and 2. What is the center to center length of cross wall? That is 2.70 meter. Yes, 2.70 minus the breadth of foundation. How much? 900 mm. That is 0.9 minus 0.9. That is equal to the same way 1.80. 1.80. Then the same way the breadth of foundation 900, that is 0.9. Then depth 0.23. Then here how we are putting 2? Yes, cross wall 1 and 2. So cross wall 1 number, then cross wall 2 1 number. So total numbers 2. So multiplying this value, that is 2 into 1.80 into 0.90 into 0.23, that is equal to how much? Yes, 0.75 m cube. Yeah, 0.75 m cube. The same way calculate the cross wall 3 and 4. Yes, what is the center to center of cross wall 3 and 4? That is 3.2 meter. Yes. Then இதை மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். கிராஸ் வாலுக்கு மட்டும் பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். மெயின் வாலுக்கு பண்ணக்கூடாது, மெயின் வாலுக்கு டெப்த்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஏன்னா ஆல் அரவுண்ட் சென்டர் அதனால் அதை மைனஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ கிராஸ் வால் 1 and 2, தென் கிராஸ் வால் 3 and 4, கிராஸ் வால் 5, இதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும்? மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். எதை? 1 பிரெத்தை இல்லையா, 1 பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 0.9. தென் வாட் இஸ் ஆன்சர்? 2.30 meter. Yes, 2.30. Here we are putting 2. How? Yes, cross wall 3 and 4. So cross wall 3 1 number, cross wall 4 2 second, that is second number. So the total numbers are 2. Then breadth 0.9 meter. Yes, 0.9 meter. Then depth 0.23 meter. 0.23 meter. Then how to get this answer? Tell me. Yes, 2 into 2.30 into 0.90 into 0.23. What is the answer? 0.95 m cube. Yes, 0.95 m cube. The same way we are calculating cross wall 5. What is the cross wall 5 center to center length? Cross wall 5 4.70 minus cross wall க்கு என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும்? ஒரு பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும் இல்லையா? 0.90 மைனஸ் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 0.79 m cube. Sorry, 3.80 meter. 4.70 minus 0.9, 3.80 meter. Yes, 3.80 meter. Then one breadth 0.9. Depth, this depth 0.23. Okay. Then length 3.8, breadth 0.9, depth 0.23 meter. Then how will get this answer? Tell me. 1 into 3.80 into 0.90 into 0.23. This is 0.79 meter cube. Okay, 0.79 meter cube. Then all around veranda, that is center to center length. Veranda how much? 6.80 meter. Yes, 6.80 minus 0.75, that is equal to 6.05. 6.05. Then breadth 0.6, depth veranda 0.15. Then veranda is one number only, so we are putting one number. Then how will get this answer? 0.54. Yeah, tell me. 1 into 6.1 into 6.05 into 0.6 into 0.15, that is equal to 0.54 m cube. Yes, 0.54 m cube. Then steps, the same way we are calculating earthwork excavation, the same way we are calculating steps also. Steps 1.3 meter. 1.3 meter is a from the door, no? From the door 1 meter, this is 0.15 meter, this is 0.15 meter, totally this is 1.3 meter, 1.3 meter, then 0.6, there are 2 steps, okay, then 0.6 and then depth 0.15. Then here we have two steps, here one, that is front side and back side, there is 2, therefore multiplying this all value we are getting 0.23. How? 2 into 1.30 into 0.6 into 0.15, that is equal to 0.23 meter cube. Then adding all the value, that is 6.33 plus 0.75 plus 0.95 plus 0.79 plus 0.54 plus 0.23, then what is the answer? Yes, 9.59 m cube. Yes, then CC quantities 9.59 m cube, earthwork quantity how much? That is 45.73 m cube. Then CC quantity how much? 9.59 m cube. Next we move to brickwork in cement mortar 1:5 in footing. Yeah, brickwork in cement mortar 1:5 first footing. Okay. Then brickwork, here also the same way we already calculated the earthwork excavation, then cement concrete, the same way we are calculating also brickwork in cement mortar 1:5 first footing. There are 2 footing available. First we are calculating the first footing. First footing, main wall all around. Okay, the center to center length, the total center to center length how much? 30.60. Yes, 30.60 meter. Then 30.60, then first footing breadth 0.75 meter, then the depth of first footing 0.45 meter. Okay, then length 30.60, breadth 0.75 meter, depth 0.45 meter. Okay, then write it here, that the dimension column is the main wall all around only one number. Okay, then 1 into 30.60 into 0.75 into 0.45, how much? 10.33 meter cube. The same way we are calculating cross wall 1 and 2. The center to center length of cross wall how much? Yes, 2.70 meter. Here we are deduct 0.75 because the first footing breadth is 0.75 meter. So we are deducting here 2.70 minus 0.75. Then what is the answer? 2.70 minus 0.75, 1.95. So we are putting here the length of cross wall 1 and 2, that is 1.95. Then the breadth is 0.75 meter, depth is the same 0.45 meter. Then how will get this answer? Yes, here how we are putting 2? Yes, this is here cross wall 1 and 2, there we are putting 2 numbers. Okay, then how to calculate this value? 1.32, that is 2 into 1.95 into 0.75 into 0.45. Then what is the answer? 1.32 meter cube. Next we move to cross wall 3 and 4. Okay, then the center to center of cross wall 3 and 4 how much? 3.20 meter. Now we are deducting the breadth, one breadth how much? 0.75. 3.20 minus 0.75, we are deducting how much? 2.45. Yes, 2.45. Then one breadth 0.75, depth 0.45. Here cross wall 3 and 4, there are two numbers, so we are putting 2 bar. But 2 bar into that is 2 into 2.45 into 0.75 into 0.45, multiplying this all value, we are getting 1.65 m cube. Then we move to cross wall 5, that is 4.70 is the center to center length of cross wall 5. Now we are deducting 0.75 meter, that is one breadth. We are deducting one breadth of first footing, that is 0.75. Then 4.70 minus 0.75, how much? 3.95. So here 3.95, then breadth of first footing 0.75 meter, then depth 0.45 meter. Now we multiplying all these value, 1 into 3.95 into 0.75 into 0.45. Now what is the answer? Yeah, 1.33 m cube. Okay, then we move to second footing. Second footing, the same way we are calculating whatever we are calculating the first footing, the same way we are calculating the second footing also. Here only the breadth only changes. For a cross wall, you are deduct the one breadth from the center to center length of the cross wall. Okay. நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். கிராஸ் வால் எடுக்கும்போது மட்டும்தான் என்ன குவான்டிட்டி எடுக்கிறோமோ அந்த குவான்டிட்டியோட பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும், எப்போவும் கிராஸ் வாலுக்கு எடுக்கும்போது மட்டும். ஸோ மெயின் வாலுக்கு நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, குவான்டிட்டியை மெயின் வாலுக்கு சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. தட் இஸ் 30.6 மீட்டரில் 0.6 நம்ம மைனஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஆனால் கிராஸ் வால் எடுக்கும்போது, இப்போ கிராஸ் வால் 1 and 2, கிராஸ் வால் 3 and 4 அண்ட் கிராஸ் வால் 5, அப்போ கிராஸ் வால் எடுக்கும்போது மட்டும் கிராஸ் வாலுக்கு என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும், நம்ம அதோடைய சென்டர் டு சென்டர் லென்த்தில் இருந்து ஒரு கிராஸ் வாலோட பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். தட் இஸ் ஃபுட்டிங்கோட பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, சரி. இப்போ செகண்ட் ஃபுட்டிங் எடுக்கிறோம். செகண்ட் ஃபுட்டிங் அதோட சென்டர் டு சென்டர் லென்த் ஹவு மச்? 30.6 மீட்டர். ஸோ 30.6 மீட்டர். இப்போ செகண்ட் ஃபுட்டிங்கோட பிரெத் என்ன? ட்ராயிங்கில் செக் பண்ணலாமா? செகண்ட் ஃபுட்டிங்கோட பிரெத், செகண்ட் ஃபுட்டிங் பிரெத் ஹவு மச்? Here, yeah, 700. Okay, it's the first footing. The foundation concrete 900 is a 700. Okay, then it's a 450. Yeah, okay. The first second footing. Okay, second footing got a breadth in 0.6 meter, depth 0.45 meter. இப்போ மெயின் வால் நம்ம எடுக்கும்போது என்ன, நம்ம பிரெத்தை மைனஸ் பண்ண நமக்கு தேவையில்லை மெயின் வால் எடுக்கும்போது. ஸோ பிரெத் இங்கே மைனஸ் பண்ண நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. ஸோ 30.60 அதோட பிரெத் 0.6, டெப்த் 0.45. தென் நமக்கு மெயின் வால் ஆல் அரவுண்ட் ஒரே ஒரு லென்த்து தான், சரி, 1 பார். இப்போ 1 பார், அப்போ 1 into 30.60 into 0.6 into 0.45, multiplying all these value, what is the answer? Yes, 8.26 m cube. Yeah, okay. Then we move to cross wall 1 and 2. The center to center length of cross wall how much? 2.70 meter. Now we are deducting yes, 0.6, one breadth of second footing. Yes, second footing oda one breadth minus பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Then 2.70 minus 0.6, how much? 2.10. Then 2.10 in the breadth 0.6, depth 0.45. Then here cross wall 1 and 2, there are two numbers, therefore 2 into 2.10 into 0.6 into 0.45, how much? 1.13 meter cube. Then we move to cross wall 3 and 4. There are two walls, therefore we are putting 2 bar. Then the center to center length of cross wall how much? Yes, 3.20. Now we are deducting one breadth of second footing, that is 0.6 meter. 3.20 minus 0.6, how much? 2.6 meter. Okay, this here length 2.6, breadth the same breadth 0.6, depth 0.45. So 2 into 2.60 into 0.6 into 0.45, how much? Yes, 1.40 meter cube. Yes, okay. Then move to cross wall 5. What is the center to center length of cross wall 5? Yes, 4.70 meter, 4.70. Now we are deducting one breadth of cross wall. Yeah, 0.6, 4.70 minus 0.6, how much? 4.10 meter. Okay, now we are writing 4.10 into 0.6 into 0.45. Now multiplying 1 into 4.10 into 0.6 into 0.45, how much? 1.11 meter cube. Okay, then all around the veranda. All around veranda, the total center to center length is 6.80. Now we are deducting 0.6. Then what is the answer? 0.20. Yes, 6.20 and veranda, yes, veranda breadth 0.45. Yes, and then depth 0.45. Now veranda ஒரே ஒரு quantity இருக்கனால 1 bar. Yes, one time தான் இருக்குல்ல 1 bar into 6.20 into 0.45 into 0.45. Then what is the answer? 1.26 meter cube. Now we are adding all the value, that is first footing and second footing, 10.33, 1.32, 1.65, 1.33, 8.26, 1.33, 1.40 and 1.11 and 1.26. What is the answer? The total of the squaring value, that is 27.79 meter cube. Now we are moving to brickwork and cement mortar for basement. Okay, basement, the already we are calculated earthwork excavation, then cement concrete. The same way we are calculating brickwork and cement mortar. 1 is for basement only. Okay, here also basement, what the main wall all around. Okay, main wall all around, we know the center to center length, how much? 30.60 meter. Okay, then 30.60 meter. Then basement breadth என்ன 0.45 meter, depth 0.6 meter. இந்த drawingல clear கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Center to center length 30.6 meter, breadth 0.45 meter, depth 0.6 meter. Okay, இது இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மெயின் வால் ஆல் அரவுண்ட் நமக்கு ஒரே ஒரு குவான்டிட்டி தான். அப்போ 1 பார்னு எழுதுகிறோம். This the length, this the breadth, this the depth. Okay, then multiplying all the value, that is 1 into 30.60 into 0.45 into 0.6, how much? What is the answer? 8.26 meter cube. Okay, it's a main wall all around. The same way we are calculating cross wall 1 and 2. Then cross wall 1 and 2 total length, how much? 2.70. So deduct the breadth. Yes, the same way we are deduct பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்போ என்ன வரும்? 2.25 into 0.45 into 0.6. Then multiplying this all the value, then 1.22 meter cube. The same way cross wall 3 and 4. Cross wall 3 and 4 ஓட length how much? 3.30. அதில் நம்ம ஒரு breadth மைனஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 0.45 basement ஓட breadth, then 2.75, then 2.45 2.45 into 0.45 into 0.6. Then what is the answer? 1 point, that is multiplying 2 into 2.45 into 0.45 into 0.6, 1.49 m cube. Okay, then cross wall 5, the total length 4.7 meter, deduct one breadth, that is 0.45, 4.7 minus 0.45, 4.25, 4.25 into 0.45, 0.6. The answer is 1.15. For same way the veranda 6.80, we are deducting one breadth, that is 0.45 basement, then 6.35, 0.45, 4.6. Then multiplying all this value, we are getting 1.14 meter cube. Therefore the basement, the total quantity, that is adding these all value, we are getting 13.26 meter cube. Okay student, இந்த கிளாஸில் குரூப் சிஸ்டத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு பில்டிங்குள்ள இருக்கிற எர்த் ஒர்க் எக்ஸ்கவேஷன் குவான்டிட்டிஸ் அண்ட் சிசி, that is semi concrete quantity, then foundation concrete quantity, brickwork in cement mortar for basement, அதை நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக குரூப் சிஸ்டத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிற குவான்டிட்டிஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, இது வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு குரூப் சிஸ்டத்தை யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி குவான்டிட்டிஸ் டெரைவ் பண்ணுறது, எப்படி எழுதுறது, என்ன மாதிரி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறது எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சு நீங்கள் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிற குவான்டிட்டிஸ், தட் இஸ் த மேஜர் குவான்டிட்டிஸ், ஆர்சிசி ஒர்க், தென் ஒயிட் வாஷிங், கலர் வாஷிங், எல்லா குவான்டிட்டிஸும் ரிமைனிங் கிளாஸில் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.